How to know if someone blocked you on Telegram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can know if someone blocked you on Telegram. So if you want to know if someone has blocked you on Telegram or if you want to determine if someone has blocked you on Telegram, you can look for this step or signs. So signs someone may have blocked you on Telegram. So let's go and open up your Telegram. So here you can take an example like this. So you can no longer see the profile picture. It might indicate that you have blocked from that person. So that person profile picture is no longer visible. So here you can see this person profile picture. So he hasn't blocked me. So if he has blocked you, the profile picture won't be shown here. So if their last seen status is no longer available or visible when it is used to show a specific time, it could mean that you have been blocked. So here you can see the last scene. If that last scene is not available, you are blocked by them. So if you send a message and it remains one check mark and not deliver, so here you can see that it remains one check mark or not deliver like this for an extended period, it may suggest you have been blocked. So also you can make no update on the group. So if that person has blocked you and they don't appear in the member list anymore, it could be sign that you have been blocked. Also, if you try to call them and the call doesn't go through, it may indicate that you have been blocked on your Telegram. So there is no direct notification or alert on Telegram that confirms someone has blocked you. So these signs are definitive these signs are definitely that you have been blocked. So if you suspect someone has blocked you, consider reaching out through the another method to verify. So this is the process how you can know someone has blocked you on Telegram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.